We all know bathtubs can get pretty grimy over time. But don't worry, you don't need harsh chemicals to get rid of those stubborn stains and odors. With Truly Free Home's non-toxic and sensitive skin-approved products, cleaning your bathtub is a breeze. Here's what you'll need: Truly Free Home Bathroom Cleaner and Truly Free Home OxyBoost. First, grab your Truly Free Home Bathroom Cleaner and give your bathtub a good spray. Make sure to cover every inch and let it sit for a few minutes. This will help loosen up all that dirt and grime. Next, sprinkle some OxyBoost all over the tub. This powerful yet gentle oxygen bleach will work wonders on those tough stains. Let these two products work their magic for a bit. Now it's time to scrub. Use a brush or sponge to scrub away all the grime and then rinse thoroughly with water. And there you have it. A clean, sparkly, and odor-free bathtub, all without inhaling any toxic chemicals.